Stop getting hit with that not enough free space notification right when you are ready to play. You do not need to delete your favorite games if you know how to manage your console like a pro. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today, I am giving you the top 10 advanced tips to optimize your PS5 storage and keep your library organized. The PS5 internal drive is lightning fast, but between system files and massive game updates, that space disappears in an instant. We are going to reclaim every gigabyte possible. Step 1. Audit your media gallery. We all record 4K clips, but these files are massive. Go to your media gallery and delete old video captures, or move them to a USB drive to free up huge chunks of space. Step 2. Disable auto capture for trophies. Every time you earn a trophy, your PS5 saves a video. Go to your captures and broadcast settings and turn this off to stop your drive from filling up with clips you will never watch. Step 3. Offload PS4 games to external storage. You can play PS4 titles directly from an external USB drive. This keeps your internal SSD completely free for native PS5 games that actually require that speed. Step 4. Delete individual game components. Many modern games allow you to uninstall specific parts. If you are finished with a story mode, delete the campaign, but keep the multiplayer files to save space. Step 5. Clear the system cache. Power down your console and enter safe mode by holding the power button until the second beep. Select Clear System Software Cache to wipe away temporary junk files that clog the system. Step 6. Rebuild your database. While in safe mode, choose the Rebuild Database option. This reorganizes your files and can often shrink the other storage category that mysteriously eats up your space. Step 7. Manage your cloud saves. If you have PlayStation Plus, make sure your saves are synced, and delete local copies of data for games you have not played in years. Step 8. Delete unused language packs. Check your game content settings for installed titles. Many games download high-definition language or texture packs that you do not need, and they take up significant room. Step 9. Set a default install location. In your storage settings, set all PS4 games to install automatically to your external drive. This prevents your fast internal SSD from getting cluttered with older titles by mistake. Step 10. Check for duplicate versions. Sometimes when you upgrade a game from PS4 to PS5, both versions remain installed. Check your library and delete the older version to double your available space instantly. Here's a bonus pro tip. Always leave at least 20 to 30 gigabytes of free space on your main drive. This acts as a buffer for the console to unpack updates and keeps your system interface running smoothly without lag. If you face any difficulty or your other storage is still too high, please comment below. I will be monitoring the thread and I will reply to you within 1 hour. If these tips helped you save some room for your next big adventure, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your storage is optimized and I will see you in the next one.